$104.41 is a very special number. Why? Because it's how much we have starting off on episode 2 of me turning $0 into $1,000 online. But how did we get here? Well, it all started off with me wanting to show you guys that you can make some money online starting from nothing. So I set this challenge for myself to turn $0 into $1,000 online without using my existing audience or my friends. So I started off the challenge doing some ClickBank affiliate marketing inside Facebook groups, and within the first 2 days I made a total of $52. And then I took that $50 and I invested in the Shopify dropshipping store, which didn't go too well. I ended up spending $25 on an influencer to promote the product for me, but I didn't make any sales at all. But the good news is I was still making money on ClickBank every single day, and I ended off with a total of $104.41. And then at the end of episode 1, I made this announcement. Remember that site that I bought from Fiverr not too long ago? It was called fixyourposture.com. And you remember how I drove traffic to that site? I got some sales with it, but I wasn't profitable, right? And you remember how I asked you guys, should I continue on with the site? And a bunch of you guys commented that I should in the comments. Well, I ended up shutting down that site. But in episode 2, I'm gonna be bringing it back to life, driving traffic to it, and hopefully we can make some sales with it. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. It is currently episode 2 of me turning $0 into $1,000 online, and I'm coming out guns blazing. I'm not playing no games. So let me break down my strategy for you guys real quick. Now, as you guys know, I have $104 to play with, but I'm gonna split this 2 different ways. So I'm gonna be doing Instagram influencers and Facebook ads, and both of these I'm gonna be spending $50 on. Now, my strategy for Instagram influencers, I'm gonna try to find at least 3 meme pages, and I'm gonna try to pay one $15, the other one $15, and then the last one $20. That'll equal $50. Now, my strategy for Facebook ads is a little bit different. So I'm gonna be targeting all genders. I'm gonna be targeting ages 18 to 65, and I will be targeting the interest poor posture. And then I will be running that ad for $15 a day until I hit $50. Yes, sir, I told you it sounded like a plan, don't it? I'm not playing this episode. And listen, but wait, there's more. I'm not.
But wait, there's more.
I learned my lesson from last episode. You know, I'm a day older. I'm a little wiser now. I know what to do. I'm not going to be waiting until I see what happens with paid traffic. I'm going to be still doing free traffic at the same time. Because last time I waited to see if I made any sales with paid traffic, and I seen I didn't. So then I went back to free traffic. Nah, this time I'm going to be doing free traffic and paid traffic at the same time. So no matter what happens, I'm making money.
You smart.
Now, my free traffic strategy, I'm gonna still be doing the Facebook groups as I did in the previous video, and I'm gonna be promoting the numerology readings as well, but y'all not gonna see this one coming. As you guys know, one of the rules for this challenge is I can't use my own audience to make money, right? So I was just thinking like, yo, I'm about to start from scratch, man. So what I did is I created a brand new Instagram account. Like, I'm not playing with y'all. I created a brand new Instagram account. As you can see, it's called Beyond the Surface 101. So I'm gonna be growing that page, and hopefully I can make some money from that page as well to add to my revenue streams. If everything works out, I'm gonna be getting money from Instagram influencers, Facebook ads, Facebook groups, and then my own Instagram account. I'm gonna be getting to it, baby. This challenge is about to be over in no time. But I'm gonna hit you guys up in a day or two to let you guys know how everything is going. Hey, y'all pray for me, because I'm gonna be hustling these next couple of days. But this is what you gotta do. If you starting from nothing, you got no audience, you gotta hustle. But y'all stay tuned. Alright, so check me out. It's currently Thursday, June 18th, as you guys can see. And I started episode 2 on Tuesday. So it's about 2 days into episode 2 so far. And I just wanted to break down how everything is going so that you guys can stay updated. So let me hop into my computer right now and show you guys. Alright, so I'm on Fix Your Posture right now. And as you can see, hey man, listen, you know how I get down. I made $174.65, and like I said, I started this 2 days ago. And let me just scroll down so that you guys can see all the stats and everything. The conversion rate was 1.79%. Average order value $24.95. 7 total orders. And as you can see right here, all my sales came from Instagram influencers. So that's telling me Instagram might be the way to go. And if I go to the Facebook manager, right, I have been running Facebook ads, like I told you guys, $15 a day, and I spent $31.16 so far, but no sales came from Facebook. So I might just cut this off right now, to be honest with you, or I might just wait another day to see if I make a sale. And if I don't make any sales, I'm gonna have to cut it off tomorrow. So I don't know what I'm gonna do right now with Facebook ads, because I spent $30, no sales. But with Instagram, I made all my sales so far came from Instagram. So I'm gonna just scroll up so you guys can see everything. Let me actually refresh the page so you know everything's legit. And as you can see, everything stayed the same. So yeah, $174.65 is the update for the store. So you've seen the Shopify store stats. I'm not doing too bad with Shopify dropshipping, but as you guys know, I've been doing ClickBank as well. So let me show you guys the stats for that. All right, so I'm on ClickBank right now, and as you guys can see, like Monday I didn't make no sales with ClickBank, Tuesday I didn't make no sales with ClickBank, and then yesterday I made $116.34 with ClickBank.
My nigga.
But I'm gonna actually click on it so that you guys can see like what actually happened, because I kind of got lucky. So as you guys can see, like I had upsells, so that's the reason why I made over $100. Like that's not really normal with like Facebook groups and stuff like that. You're not gonna be making $100 a day from Facebook groups, but I had an upsell in there. So that's one of the best things about ClickBank, is like a $30 sale can turn into a $100 sale with upsells, and you don't have to put in any additional work. But as you guys can see, like I made 2 original sales. As you can see right here, they were original sales for $26.31, and then this one right here, it added $30 right here, another $12, and then another $21. So this one sale right here was the bulk of the money. Alright, so here's an actual example of me going inside Facebook groups and changing the caption so that I can make money on ClickBank. So as you can see right here, this post has 268 likes and over 100 comments on it, right? So what I would do is I would go ahead and edit the caption, and I would just say something like rewire your brain to attract anything you want, and then have the link to my landing page. Now, being that this post is at the top of the group, a lot of people are going to see it and potentially click on the link and buy the ClickBank product. So if I take that 116 from ClickBank and I add it to the 174 from Shopify dropshipping, I'm currently at a revenue of $290, man. Hey, that's not bad, because as you guys know, I started off with 104 on Tuesday, which was 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, I turned that 104 to 290. Now that's not our profit. We're gonna break down the profit at the end of this video, but hey, we not looking too bad. So my plan for the next couple days is I'm gonna take the 290 that I have and I'm gonna reinvest it back into Instagram influencers to drive more sales to the store. I'm most likely gonna turn off the Facebook ads because I'm not making money with those, and since I'm on a limited budget, I'm not really trying to risk it right now. I'm also gonna be still doing ClickBank affiliate marketing, even though like it's been like kind of shaky these last couple days. Like I haven't been making too many sales, except for yesterday where I got 2 sales and then a bunch of upsells. I'm gonna still be doing that on the side. And oh, I almost forgot to show you guys my Instagram account, the brand new one. So it's called Beyond the Surface. As you guys can see, I only got 5 followers so far, you know, but I've been posting. I've been trying to make the time to post, because as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of stuff. It'll come around eventually, but that's the update. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a couple days. Yes, sir. All right, man, before I even get into how much money I made with Shopify dropshipping and ClickBank, I'm gonna take a bow, because you know I did my thing. I did my thing this week, and I also want to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers, man. Hey, that's crazy. We had 5,000 subscribers. I haven't even been posting that much on here, so I just want to say thank you for all the love and support. Hey, BHC, we're gonna be on top soon, so make sure you subscribe to join the channel if you haven't already. We the best Black entrepreneur channel on YouTube. You know, it's just that simple. I said what I said.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
But let's get into the results for the week. So it is currently Sunday, June 21st. Let me actually show you guys. Sunday, June 21st, and let me pull up my Shopify sales. So for the week, I made $349.30. You know, let me refresh the page. Boom, and let me show you guys yesterday. So yesterday I made $74.84, and then today I'm at 0 sales for so far for the day, And yeah, you can see everything right there. So it turned out to be a good idea for me to bring that store back to life because I made a decent amount of money with it within the first 5 days or so. Because I started this on Tuesday and it's now Sunday, so I made $350 in about 5 days. But let me show you guys my ClickBank sales. So I got my phone put up right here and I'm on my ClickBank account. So as you can see, let me actually zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see that. So for the week, I made $142.51 for ClickBank. So we add my Shopify sales and my ClickBank sales to the $104.41 that I had to begin with. It brings my total sales up to $596.22. But whoa, slow your roll, buddy. That's not all profit. Let me break it down for you. So I got my calculator put up, and first things first, I spent $33.07 on Facebook ads before I turned it off. So let me subtract 33.07, boom. And I spent $95 on Instagram influencers, so let me subtract 95. And then my product cost was $21.14, so minus 21.14. Now that brings my profit down to $447.01. Now all of those expenses came from Shopify dropshipping. ClickBank was absolutely free. I had no expenses with ClickBank because I was using free traffic. So I know a lot of you guys are wondering, like, Drell, what are your plans for episode 3? You got $450 to play with now. You're gonna start a new store, you're gonna invest that money in some stocks. What are you gonna do? Listen, let me holler at you for a second. We gotta get up close and personal for this one. Didn't your mama tell you to stop being so nosy? Stay tuned for episode 3 and you'll find out.